Hey everyone, and welcome back to my garage garden. In this video I'd like to kind of do a little update on my tomato plants and my ebb and flow. Tomato plants are not looking good. They're droopy, yellowing on the lower leaves. The newer leaves at the top are kind of light colored. They're a little deceiving because they still look like they're growing up, but they're not doing well. So this little yellow pear tomato was actually kind of a runt to begin with, so it looks the worst. So what I started doing 2 days ago, I think it was Saturday, I started doing a flush of the Rockwool Cube. I turned off the ebb and flow system, and what I've been doing is just for the first 2 days I took straight pH balanced water, and I'm doing like a flush of the Rockwool Cube. So I'm dumping the water on the Rockwool Cube, even through the, underneath of all the clay pebbles here. I'm doing a little flush, and what I'm doing is I'm just taking the water and I'm dumping it on the Rockwool Cube. And since the Rockwool Cube is supposed to be inert, in other words, it's not supposed to hold or, trap the nutrients, I guess. But what I'm doing is I'm flushing it by dumping the water on it and hopefully getting all the bad stuff out of the Rockwool Cube and away from the plant. I'll start doing, probably today, is a mild nutrient flush where I'll do like a quarter mixture of nutrient flush and see if I can get these things to bounce back. They're not lost yet. You can see the newer leaves are still looking pretty good. I mean, they're not very dark, but now the light's coming by, you might be able to see better. But they're not gone yet. There's parts of them that are not that good. So if I can get this flush done, and then after I get a couple of flushes into these things, I'm going to pull them out of the buckets and do a complete flush and wash of the entire system. I must have gotten some sort of contaminant in the water, so all of a sudden the roots weren't looking that good, and I've got scum at the bottom of the bucket. So either I did a bad job of mixing my nutrients, or something else got in there and I didn't know it. So that's the tomato plant update. I will continue with the flush and start with this mild nutrient flushing. I will also be getting a new light. I'm not sure that this is a strong enough light. So it seems to have grown the plants, but I don't know that they're healthy because of it. So I will do another video update probably next week on the tomatoes and hopefully see some better results. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Bye.